Hello there. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can start spot trading on Binance. So if you already have a Binance account and you are willing to start doing spot trading, this video is going to be helpful. So you want to make sure you already have a Binance account and you are logged in right here. So after logging into your Binance account, this is the homepage of the Binance. So if you want to get started, just come to trade section right here and then head over to spot. So click on spot. So this is spot trading interface, and this is how your spot trading window is going to be looking like. So if you come right here, you can see this is BTC USDT. This is the default chart that I have set in here. So whenever you open this window, you'll always have this some sort of default pair that is going to open up. So as for my case, I have BTC USDT. So we are going to be trading BTC USDT. So if you are looking to trade any other pair, you just come to this section right here where you have the search, and then here you can go ahead and type your specific coin that you want to trade. So if you want to trade, for example, Ethereum, you can type ETH, then leave a space, USDT. So that pair will come and you can click on it, and when you click on it, the interface here will change and it will bring you the information about the pair that you are going to trade, so which is Ethereum USDT this time. So some of the key information that you want to note: this is the current price of Ethereum right now against the USDT. Here you can have the percentage change in the 24 hours. So here you can see in the 24 hours the high it has reached, and then you can see the low in the 24 hours, and then you can find the trading volume of Ethereum USDT in the 24 hours, right? So here there are the order books that you can check through, the people that are selling and people that are buying. And right here you can find the open trades that are going on. So if you want to change the pair, like I said, you can just use this window and type again. And then right here you can find the chart. So if you are good at technical analysis and you want to do some analysis to determine the next move in the markets, then you can pretty much come on to this chart and do your analysis. So this is the original chart for the Binance. If you like, you can change to the trading view chart, which is much more advanced and will even give you additional options for you to analyze well. So okay, so there it will open the trading view chart, and as you know, the trading view chart, they are easy to shift up and down, and then you can have most of the tools that you can use right here. So here you have the time that you can change from one time frame to another, and pretty much if you are used to technical analysis, you'd then understand what these buttons are all about. So if you don't know anything about technical analysis and you want to learn how you can analyze these markets, then go ahead and subscribe to this channel, because that's what we'll be getting to in just a while. So if you are ready to press the trade, then what you just need to do, you just need to scroll down right here. So this is the window where the actual trading is going to be done. So right now with Ethereum USDT, let's assume you want to buy at the market price. So you want to press your trade and execute it immediately. So what you are going to do right here, down here, you are going to change to the market so that you can buy at the exact market. So when you do that at the market price, that is the one. So you're going to just come here and put the worth amount you are willing to invest, and as you can see, this is going to be USDT, right? So here you can put $100, and after putting $100, then you can go ahead and hit on buy. So you can as well as use this shift percentage right here that will determine the price that you want to buy with, depending on your account balance, right? If you put it at 100%, then it will buy with your entire USDT balance on the spot account, right? So then after putting the total amount you want to buy with, then you can go ahead and hit on buy. So same thing, different way. Let's say you have a trade that is already running with Ethereum USDT, and this time you want to sell your Ethereum, right? So what you are going to do, you are going to come to your sell section right here, and you are going to input the amount of Ethereum that you are willing to sell. When you put it right there, so you just go ahead and tap on the sell button and your trade will be executed immediately. So you can as well as use this shift button right here. So if you want to use the limit order, you can use the limit order in case, for example, let's say you want to buy Ethereum USDT right now, but you see the price has already moved, but you wanted to buy it maybe at the specific price below the current market price. So what you do, you're just going to come right here just going to come right here and set the price which is below the market price or above the market price, depending on the action that you want to take, and write here the amount that you are willing to buy Ethereum at. So you write the amount which is below or above the current market price, so that when the market reaches that point, then your buy limit will be executed. Then you can as well as go ahead and put in here the amount that you want to buy USDT with, then go ahead and hit on the buy, and your limit order will be set right here. So same thing, different way. If you want to sell your Ethereum at a specific price, then you can go ahead and set a sell limit order. So this sell limit order will sell your Ethereum at the exact price that you set in future. So then right on this window down here, you'll be able to see your open orders or the order history and the trade history right here. So if you can see with me, I do not have any so you can see with me, I do not have any Ethereum USDT order running right now. But if you check on the order history right here, you can see the history of the orders that I have completed in the past. And here you can filter 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, depending on the history that you want to view. So then if you come to fund section right here, it will show you my account balances and the coins that I have bought. So if you can check, I'm holding AVAX, I'm holding Gala and CRV. So if you want to see the information about these pairs, then you can go ahead and hover to one of them, select the one with USDT because that is the one that I'm currently holding, and then the information right here will change and they will bring me that coin, which is CRV USDT, just like you can see here. So let me also show you how you can get to this window without using the trade and the spot. So if you hover to your wallet and go to overview, so you can use the search field right here to search the coin that you want to trade, or you can go through the list and find the coin that you want to trade. So once you find the coin, for example, if I check on FTM, then you come here on the trade section, then you tap on trade. So when you tap on trade, you just look for FTM USDT and tap on it. So then this spot trading window should open up where you can go ahead and press your trade just like we said. So this is the video about spot trading. So if you are new to Binance or if you want to start spot trading right away, create an account. So I will leave the Binance sign up link in my video description. If you have any challenges along the way, feel free to contact me. I'll be happy to help. Bye bye. I will see you in another one.